Yes, guys, so I'm heading to the police station right now. This is something I should have done long ago, but I guess today is the day that it's going to happen. Guys, gonna look on the gas price and the day me choose to fill up the tank. I don't have no gas, I don't have no choice but to fill it up. My God. Me say all the sun out for me to them in my darkest. Sun bright, 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 6 degrees here in Ottawa. Sunshine. I'm going in on the sunshine. A very sunshiny day and unforgettable day, man. Tell you guys. So, guys, story time. So I went to the police station this morning to, do a police check because it's mandatory for my program, and I'm a little bit nervous because it takes 6 to 8 weeks, they said, depending on the police station, and I need it by the third week of January. So me, I don't know why I believe say I could just jump in my vehicle and go down to the nearest police station to get my criminal police check. When I went there, walk into the door, the first door open. When I check the second door, the second door lock. The second door locked, so I pull again to see, why I can't get into the police station. Guys, the police station is closed to the public. When I look, good thing me can read. Me see the sign at the door. It says closed to the public. People, I'm just thinking, what if somebody was beating me? Me say my bottom would have sore today. Me say my body would have sore today. Beating would have killed me. Me say I couldn't believe it. The police station said close to the public. So these people are public servants, to serve and to protect the public. And it is closed until further notice. Anyways, on the door, the sign also said that if you want a police clearance, to go to this location, and Queensway or something. So me put in Queensway, on my GPS and see that it's like 7 minutes away. So I drove down to Queensway. When I get to Queensway, guys, a man come out. As I reach up to the door, a man come out saying, "Do you have an appointment for today?" I said no. Then when I look, he's showing me the sign at the door. "You have to book your appointment online, ma'am." Jesus Christ. God help me. No available appointment, no walk-ins is available at Queensway. So you see, if you want a police check, you have to go online, people, and register and book for an appointment that they have. Anyways, another person walk up and said he has an appointment for such and such a time, and the man say, "Do you have 2 pieces of ID?" Thank God, because even if me have appointment, maybe me would know though. Still, if me book it online, would know, because me only have my driver's license in my position. I don't have no other ID on me. Okay. Oh my God, what a day! I worked last night, and I wasted 3 hours sleep, 3 hours on the road, driving up and down. Gas is so expensive. Okay? We just fill up my tank this morning, and the gas was so expensive. And driving up and driving, I accomplished Nothing. Okay? Absolutely nothing. Oh God. Just a drive out a little gas that I cannot afford. Just because I just get paid, I pull up my tank, people. And today is the 1st of December, which means say the rent is coming out today. Lord of mercy. Oh my goodness. Anyways, I decided that okay, fine. Since I wasn't successful with the police check, I'm gonna come home and come fill it and do the application online to get the appointment, right? But I was driving past Algonquin and I also need a TB two-step testing. I think TB mean like tuberculosis or whatever, something, some medical something. So I went by Algonquin to fill out to try to get booked that. They said that I have to create an account online. Everything online. Listen to me, if you want to report a crime, just go online. Since COVID, no, everything is online. I mean, never take computer class in high school. Cause when I got computer time on Jamaica, I was so happy for the look at AC. No other class excite me like look at computer time we used to get, cause we just got introduced to computer. Cause I graduated from high school 2007. Right? Big up all over high. So people are taking don't get me wrong now, people take them computer course when I was graduating and passed it. It's just that I wasn't at that level. Okay? I wasn't at that level. So everything here is online. Everything. Every single thing is online. From COVID coming, nobody do in person anymore. Okay? Nothing more is in person, guys. If you have anything you want to do, first check online. Because if me go online, maybe more see all this information. But me no old fashioned. Me today me go outside and when I was at Algonquin, I saw some kids dressed up. Today, just 6 degrees, mental say a pair of flip-flops, Crocs, Hug slippers. Somebody buy me Hug slippers for my Christmas. Ripped jeans and sweater. Pour me in this big old winter boot, guys. It's like a me alone cold and big old jacket. I don't know how I'm going to survive in this world because I'm too old-fashioned. Me have handbag, me don't even bring the handbags in with me. Me have one little ziplock and me zip up me little money and me little bank card and L card in. Ask my sister, she will tell you. And I have so many bags that them buy me. They say they don't buy me no more bag because it's pointless. But I don't know. You understand? Anyways, I tell the lady, say, oh, I thought I could just come in and whatever. She said, oh, yes, they have farms here too. So she gave me one farm and I fill out the farm. Can I tell her something? When I start fill out the farm and it says, what sex you be? And I said, female. And I said, what you prefer to be called? I was so tempted to be, what the word depending the name? There was other and one name undisclosed or something like that. See, next time when I ask me about my business, me just have to say others. It just means they don't ask me nothing. Okay? That that is Canada for you. We're very tolerant over here. We're full of tolerance. Because I just had to laugh at that question. Honestly, I don't know why, but I found it funny. Honestly, because if you're born a female, that's just my take on life. If you're born a female, me don't know where you could have prefer to be called. But here you're full of options. Me tell you, so let me say you're full of options. You're full of options. Even the little baby that were born yesterday, them full of options. Don't play with us. Don't play with this country. So anyways, I fill it out and everything and I set up my whole appointment for my TB test because it's a whole procedure and whatever, but the lady get me in and everything. So I have a whole long list of stuff to get for school. The police record check is one. the TB test and all these other medical testing that they're gonna whatever. First of all, they asked me to on the thing, COVID-19 vaccine is one. And I have two shot and a booster, and I don't know how I'm gonna prove that I have it. Maybe through a blood work or something, because me they take it at two different locations, and then me get the booster at work, and I when I first get the COVID, they give you this tiny little paper, and you know, all on COVID was 3 years ago. I can't even find that paper, so I don't know how I'm gonna prove that I'm vaccinated against COVID. I have to go online and research that one because everything is online, sweetie pie. What was the fourth thing now? The fourth thing is the annual flu shot, which I'm going to get, and N95 testing. They said that's gonna be available on campus in January, the third week or so of January. What was the sixth thing? No, CPR. So yesterday I registered for my CPR online. Now you cannot do the CPR fully online. You have to have it blended. You can do it fully in class or blended where you do half online or and half in class, and that's what's acceptable for the nursing program. So there was one more thing because of civil. I can't remember the seven, but somehow I will put up the list on the screen so you guys can see which one me miss, which one me miss, me no know. But anyways, guys, as I said before, I worked last night and I haven't slept yet, and I have to meet the kids bus at 3 p.m. So it's the 12 o'clock now. I'm just gonna lie down and set my alarm to wake up around 2:45. So I will update you guys as I go along with all of this. Pray for me while I pray for myself in Jesus' name.